Hey everyone, Jason in the kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make Pico De Gallo out of fresh ingredients. So first I have 6 Roma tomatoes sliced up small. I did de-seed them a little bit. I have half a white onion. I have 2 Serrano peppers sliced up very small. If you want to use jalapeno you can. I opted to keep the seeds in, depending on how you like it for spiciness. And I have some cilantro diced up finely. We're going to need some lime, so I got half a lime. We're going to put all the juice in there, and you're also going to need some salt. So let's put this in the bowl and let's get started. We're going to squeeze half a lime in here. Lime is so delicious and it's going to make this awesome. And depending on your taste, maybe about a half a teaspoon of salt. Then we're going to mix this up. This smells awesome, all these fresh ingredients. We're actually going to put these on some tacos, so it's going to be delicious. Smells amazing.